Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check macOS version and ensure your Microsoft 365 subscription or product key is ready. Once done, open the App Store or Microsoft portal, download and install Word, and sign in with your Microsoft account to activate. Make sure to allow any system permissions Word requests, like full disk access for templates. This gets Word registered and available in your Applications folder. Now that Word is installed and activated, move on to configuring files and preferences for daily use. Next, configure Word for efficient work. Open Word preferences to set auto-save, default file locations, and font choices so documents behave predictably. Make sure OneDrive is signed in and syncing the folders you'll use. Auto-save works only for cloud files, so this step prevents lost work. Create or import templates, define paragraph and character styles, and pin frequently used templates. Once your templates and sync are in place, start a test document to confirm styles, auto-save frequency, and that files open quickly from Finder and OneDrive. To finish, learn final actions. Export or print with correct settings, use track changes for collaboration, and save final versions to OneDrive or local folders. Make a habit of checking Microsoft Auto Update so you have the latest fixes and features. If Word misbehaves, first restart Word and your Mac. If that fails, run Microsoft Auto Update, reinstall Word, or reset Word preferences by moving the preference file. Also verify disk permissions and OneDrive connectivity. These steps resolve most problems and keep your Word on Mac running.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.